All right, so I want to introduce you to Wallace. This is Wallace. I made Wallace for Knowledge's first birthday, and at the time I was super worried about safety. He was only one, and although Wallace was supposed to be a lot smaller than he is, I was really worried about safety eyes specifically. Safety eyes really freaked me out because at 1 years old, he was still, teething and putting stuff in his mouth, and I was really worried that if I put the safety eyes in, like the pattern called for, that I was going to have all kinds of issues with choking and things like that. So originally, poor Wallace, originally I instead attempted to embroider his eyes on. That failed horribly, and I do mean horribly. I decided he ended up looking super creepy, and my grandson didn't want anything to do with him, which literally broke my heart because this doll took me a good little minute to finish. He's kind of a big boy. Anyway, I decided that it would be better rather than have him looking creepy because it kind of creeped me out too, and I'm grown. I decided to take the embroidery out. Well, Wallace has been staring at me with this vacant expression for months and months and months now. So I figured, why not use this as an opportunity to give this boy some personality, let him see the world, right? Give him the love that he deserves. Shall we do this? Let's do this.
Now, if you're new here, my name is Marty. I am literally obsessed with all things crochet. Amigurumi and doll making is something that I absolutely love. Could it possibly be that I can create some felt eyes that are cost effective and durable enough to handle my precious boy and have them also at the same time be super cute? Let's see.
First thing I got to do is measure poor Wallace's eyes. I've never done this before, so it's kind of trial and error. But I'm thinking his eyes should go like from there. So maybe an inch. Maybe 3/4 inch tall and an inch across, right? Well, that's what we're going to do. I think that's the shape we're going to do for that. And then for the actual eyes part, I think we're going to make a big portion of it. Okay, so that's the basic overall design. I'm thinking that it's going to be this piece and then this piece and then probably just that itty bitty circle. Itty bitty circle. Little bitty circle for the black part, which I think that would be fine. And I don't know why I'm trying so hard for it to be perfect because it's not. It's not at all going to be perfect, but it's what I do. It's how I roll. The next step is to cut it out. I'm worried about this one being so small because I don't have, I can't see real great, and I know I don't have the precision that a Cricut has, but we're gonna, to heck with a Cricut, we're doing a Marty cut. It's fine. What did people do when it came to stuff like this before the, ooh, I can't hardly even keep hold of it. Before the Cricut came into play? Cricut, Cricut. How are you supposed to say that anyway? Like, is it Cricut? Is it Cricut? I've heard it both ways. So there we go. We have all three of our little pieces. Okay, so I am concerned about, oh goodness. That. Because I don't think this is going to show up. I just don't. Because I can't see. Oh, you know what? I can't believe I forgot. That's all right. I'm gonna do one more. I wonder, can you even see that? I think you can see that. Can you see? You can see that. Yes. That's not as bad as I expected. It looks about right. Oh, my scissors aren't even cutting. It's just shredding it. Okay. Perfect? Absolutely not. Will it work? I hope so. I'm going to try one more thing. One more thing. Now, because I've got this black background, I'm on my table and I don't want to cut my table up because I got some new toys on Temu of all places. So I'm going to do this and then this so that I can see what I'm doing. This is the set that I bought on Temu for this very thing. I forgot that I even had them. It's like an X-Acto knife set. And I've never used anything like this, so I don't know what the difference is, but it comes with all of these different things. And then these. So let's just try to see if maybe this will cut better than my handy dandy scissors. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I'm digging it. You know, I'm glad I'm trying this now because with my eyesight as horrible as it is, you know what? I'm just going to stop there. That's perfect. We've got it. Well, we've got the black anyway. So we got both of those eyes right there. We've got one little eyeball here. And that's cute. All right. So there we have it. Our eyes. Oh, Wallace, my sweet boy. Let's see how they actually work together, though. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know that I like those. I think those kind of creep me out. I'm not gonna lie. I've decided I don't like that little, you know, this part. It's messing with me. So I decided to cut the dang thing off. And instead, we're just gonna do this and we'll see what happens. Oh, Wallace. Sweet baby Wallace. All right, so there we have his wonderful eyes that we're going to go ahead and put on him now. Let's go ahead and glue them together. Okay, so I decided to make Wallace a mouth. I went ahead and measured him, and this is because I'm waiting for the glue gun to heat up. It takes forever to heat up. And I figured if Wallace is able to see, then he might as well be able to speak too. So there is Wallace's lopsided smile. I think he's kind of cute. His smile is kind of freaking cute. All right. So there we go. Let's go get Wallace. All right, Wally. Ooh. We can do this, baby. We can do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Actually, let's go ahead and put his goofy mouth on first. I got a good little amount on there. Let me just make sure he is on there pretty good. Ooh-wee. Get in there good. Get that glue in them fibers. Honestly, I am concerned about Knowledge trying to take this off. But, yeah, see, he's going to pick at that. I know he's going to pick at that. I don't really know how to fix that. I think his eyes need to be bigger. Wallace just looks messed up. I don't like the eyes at all. I think the mouth is cute. A little wonky, but I think it's cute. But I don't like the eyes. So, back to the drawing board. Y'all, this is not my forte. This is not my thing. I am quite frustrated right now. Seriously frustrated right now. Because I think I'm making the doll worse than what it was in the first beginning. And that bothers me. The last thing I want is to make it worse than what it was. You know what? I'm just rolling with it. I'm literally just gonna roll with it because it's gonna eat me up until I can't do anything about it. Like, until I screw it up, seriously screw it up. And I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna do what we can and be over with it. It's fine. We're fine. We're better than that. Although I am keeping these because I might put them on something else. But as for Wallace, no going back now. Poor Wallace has eyes that are not going to be coming off without really damaging the poor doll. So, oops, don't do that. Don't wipe the glue on the doll. Oh, poor baby. So there's Wallace. The poor guy has glue on his face. It's okay. It's okay. I think he needs some like little white. You know, I'm thinking I'm really good at crochet, but I am not good. All right, y'all. Poor Wallace. Wallace was looking at me for so long with that blank expression on his face because I'd have messed his eyes up already once. And then there's today. He no longer has a blank expression. However, he looks very amateur. Poor Wallace. I actually think his mouth is cute. I like the teeth. Not bad for my first attempt, but the eyes, I do not like the eyes. I don't like the eyes at all. I just kind of want to give him some shades, right? Some glasses. And I think I might try to make that. Maybe I can make them from felt. Just kidding. We don't want to do that. Anyway, what I did like about it, it was fun. It was fun to try to create my thing. It was fun to try to do it myself because I've never done it before. But there are a lot of things that I would have done differently and will do differently if I ever choose to do this again. Am I going to? To be honest, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What do you think? Oh, poor baby. I am really wondering what Knowledge is going to think when he comes back. Anyway, so good old Wallace has blue eyes, great big blue eyes. I love his mouth, though. His mouth is freaking cute. So good, not so good. I've got to do something with those. Anyway, so good old Wallace. Um, I think it would have been easier with a Cricut, much, because I wouldn't have had to do stuff. But aside from the Cricut, like to be honest, if I would have, I wasted a lot of time drawing the shapes that I wanted, and then it didn't work. Like I didn't end up using what I drew, and what I did use, I just kind of threw it together. So that tells me a couple of things. Number one, I need to test stuff before I actually do it. Number two, I need to trust myself. And I don't know if you guys have that issue. Like I second guess myself all the time. I think I have to do all of these things when really, in fact, I just need to take an idea and just run with it. Anyway, no more blank expression. Although when he's like this, he kind of looks buck-toothed. Poor baby. Oh my goodness. Poor Wallace. Poor Wallace. Well, that's okay. Maybe Knowledge will play with him. And if not, then I don't know what to do. I feel bad. I feel bad for poor Wallace. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried this before? Let me know. Bye bye.